Welcome to JH. Today we are examining Velora Circulation Blood Pressure Support, a product that has been gaining significant attention online recently. Marketed as a natural liquid formula, it aims to address health issues like hypertension, chronic exhaustion, poor blood flow, and lightheadedness. The recommended dosage is just a few daily drops. Its formula contains ingredients such as cayenne pepper extract, beetroot, hawthorn, and turmeric, along with vitamins K2 and D3. The primary claims include enhanced circulation, increased vitality, and even a potential reduction in prescription drug reliance. This last point is particularly concerning. You should never alter or stop your prescribed medications without professional medical advice. One major red flag is the promised speed of results. Some advertisements suggest users will feel noticeably calmer or see significant blood pressure drops within just a few days or weeks. Such rapid changes are generally unrealistic for a natural supplement. Furthermore, many customer testimonials appear overly polished and feature what seem to be AI-generated portraits. While this doesn't prove the product is fraudulent, it does cast doubt on the authenticity of the feedback. Looking closely at the packaging, the Velora brand name appears digitally superimposed, suggesting it might be a rebranded generic item. Transparency is also lacking for this company. There is no listed phone number or physical address. Only an email contact is provided. Despite the website being recently registered, it claims to have already assisted over 16,000 customers, which is a highly suspicious figure for a brand that just appeared. To be fair, ingredients like beetroot and cayenne are standard in heart health products and backed by some research. However, this doesn't guarantee the efficacy or safety of every supplement using them. If a deal seems too good to be true, it likely is. Always consult your physician before starting any new supplement, particularly for serious conditions like blood pressure.